What's up, guys? I'm so tired. I am about to take one of my exams for college algebra. I had to retake this class because the last professor I had was just horrible. Like, I just had to drop out. Like, I hate to be that type of person, but it was just not good. But I really like this professor that I have. But I'm not even gonna lie to you, I didn't study, so I'm just gonna wing it. But I have a high A in the class, so I'm just hoping like I can at least do like a C or a high D. I don't know, but I really didn't study. I'm very tired. This coffee is not kicking in, and it's not even that early. It's only 9. Hopefully I pass it. Cross the fingers. But yeah. Okay, so I went to try to take my test, but my professor has it to where I can't access it. So the people were in the testing center were trying to figure out how can I take it, and she's not even answering. So it's like, in the other campus that she's at, it's like 40 minutes away. And baby, I'm not trying to waste any gas to go all the way out there, and she can't help me. Like, I don't know, like, I emailed her. I even told her that I was coming early in the morning to do it. Okay guys, I'm about to close out the video. I got a lot done today, so I'm really happy about that. But I'm about to do like a mini workout, but I'm not going to record that because I just don't want to. But yeah, I'm about to close out. And then also I just want to say this. Did you guys see the opening ceremony of the Olympics? What do you think about that? Comment below and let me know what you think about it, because I'm sorry, I did not like it. Like, no. But let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys would like to see from me. Thank you so much, and have a good one.